Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can download Wells Fargo transaction history. So let's jump right in. First, log into your Wells Fargo account either through the app or by visiting the official website. If you're using the app, tap on the menu icon typically located at the bottom of the screen. From there, select the option labeled Statements and Documents. You may be prompted to tap the same option again to proceed. Once you're in, look for Statements and Disclosures and select it. Now choose the specific account for which you want to view transaction history. You'll be shown a list of available statements organized by month or billing cycle. Simply tap on any statement to open it, and from there, you can view it directly or download it as a PDF for your records. These statements include your full transaction history, including deposits, withdrawals, purchases, fees, and more. It's a great way to keep track of your finances, prepare for tax season, or maintain personal or business bookkeeping. Just make sure you have a PDF reader installed if you plan to download and open the file on your device.